Start. Madam Deputy Chairman, the proposal regarding irrigations project including Telugu Ganga project and other power project submitted by the successive Andhra Pradesh government may kindly be cleared very soon so that people of Andhra Pradesh may progress accordingly. Regarding the education policy of the government shall provide opportunity to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe to get admission into the Navodaya schools. The education policy at the college level shall be employment oriented and the slavery of the various disciplines at the degree level shall include the syllabi of the UPSC. In competitive examinations, many students from rural background are not able to secure creditable position due to their education in the colleges in various disciplines with inadequate syllabi not matching with the UPSC programs of examination. Professional courses have been taken into account in the recent past and subjects like electrical engineering, civil engineering, and mechanical engineering have been prescribed. However, the fast developing subject of electronic and communication taught at degree level has not been included in the syllabus of IAS and other allied examinations. It is therefore suggested that electronic and communication of degree standard may be introduced as a subject both for preliminary and main examination for IAS and other competitive examinations. This approach shall eliminate frustration and encourage students to take degrees in electronics. The scientific advancement in the field of electronic and communications demand as a recognition of the subject for inclusion in the scheme of examination for IAS and other allied examination. The Ministry of Home Affairs, Department of Personnel may be requested to work out on the proposals suggested herein In the case of SC and ST communities, it has come to my notice that, in spite of vacancies having been exclusively reserved from them, the posts are not filled up on the pretext that no applicant was found suitable. This gives further mental harassment to the applicant. It has also come to my knowledge that in personal matters, managements of government organizations generally suppress the outstanding candidates for their personal gains. Madam, I am thankful to the Finance Minister for initiating suggestions for cooperative credit system, which was in the past a major instrument of self-reliance for development. I am of the view that cooperative movement should be launched for attracting rural educated technocrats.